I'll make a quick video here real quick. Found this case at the landfill a while back and opened up, and something pretty cool inside. Yeah, finally figured out what it was and got to looking at it today. I've had this about a year. Never really got around to messing with it. Took it apart and had one gauge missing. Someone did a meticulous job on the back of it. Really good job wiring it. And get a close up of some of the gauges here. Of course, it's missing one. Bad. Yep, that's the unit. And I found an old piece of paper inside with some numbers on it and stuff. And somewhere, old pencil. And this is interesting. I found this. I can get it open. It's hard to hold this tablet camera thing and do this, but I found this inside. If you can make any sense of that, I ain't gonna explain it, but yeah, here's the interesting part. Electric power plant. Notice the date, 5/1/1950. Time capsule. I'd say the amp meter went out of it and took it apart to replace it, and I'm pretty sure I looked that number up, and that's nothing to do with an amp meter. But yeah, just thought that was kind of neat. This thing hadn't been opened up since 1950. Yeah, I'm getting ready to use that for my little generator setup I'm making. Just thought that was interesting. Figured I'd make a video on it.